Welcome back. It's been a while. We've been so busy in the past couple of months, but this is going to be an update episode. We're going to give you some updates, what we have rolled out, what we have planned for the rest of the year, for the rest of 2026. Let's start with Harry. What do we have for events?
Oh, okay, just like last time, we had our first ever online seminar.
When to stay, when to quit.
Exactly. Napakaganda ng topic at maraming nag-feedback sa akin na sobrang ganda, marami sila natutunan. At uulitin natin yun. So, gusto naman natin as usual na kung ano yung makakatulong sa ating mga audience. And sana magustuhan nyo yung mga paparating na topics and i-cover namin lahat ng mga pwedeng makatulong sa inyo. Aside from that, of course, yung mga face-to-face events natin. And eto na, papasukin natin ang sports. Yan, no?
Okay.
So, syempre bilang isang individual na nagtatrabaho, gusto rin natin ng mga side quest, kumbaga, no? So, papasukin natin ang mundo muna ng badminton.
Okay.
Okay. So, we'll be having that schedule. Lahat invited, lahat ng mga members natin sa community. And of course, paano maging part ng community, you can join our WhatsApp group. Nandito ba yun sa link?
Sa comment section.
Nandito yan sa comment section. So, pwede kayo mag-join anytime. And then from there, makikita nyo from time to time yung mga updates natin. Not just the events, but kung kailangan nyo ng makakausap, pwede. Andito kami at sana makatulong kami sa inyo. Ano pa ba, Pats?
Uy, dahil tayo lang yung dumadaldal dito. It's now your chance para kayo naman ang magkwento. So you can now share your stories in our new email. It's called careerkwento@todocareer.com. It's your chance to share your stories, yung mga unhinged stories nyo, yung mga embarrassing stories nyo sa trabaho, sa career. Whether bago, whether luma, i-entertain namin yan sa bago naming segment and we'll talk about it. And of course, meron pa rin tayong anonymity. So, don't worry, you will stay anonymous. So, share away. We would love to have your stories heard in this channel.
Yes.
Pwede natin mapagkwentuhan yung stories nyo, no?
Yeah.
Parang medyo maalaala mo kaya. Dating, no?
Speaking of stories, quick kwento naman kung pinapollow sa social media, no? Medyo jet setter in terms of competition. Dumayo pa kayo sa Taipei para lang mag-Hyrox. Kamusta? Kamusta yung competition? Kamusta yung Philippine Night House? David Licao, parang number 1 amongst the Filipinos. Pero kamusta yung competition altogether? Pats, kamusta?
Ako gusto ko mag-start from the beginning ng training ko. I know siguro I'm the least athletic kid ever. Wala talaga akong sport growing up. Never in a million years realized na I will be a Hyrox athlete ever. I started October training, running, doing weights, and then attending yung mga Hyrox affiliated gyms. A few days before, nagkasakit ako.
Jitters naman.
A lot of people said na it's jitters.
Yeah.
Kaba, first time, lalo na hindi siya dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
You have to travel hundreds of thousands of kilometers pa before
Meters lang,
competing. Meters lang ba?
Parang ano na tayo.
Baka umibot na tayo.
The point is, sa ibang bansa siya.
Yeah.
The point is, sa ibang bansa pa siya. So, I think nakadagdag yun sa stress. And sobrang solid nung energy. The Hyrox community is something else. It's very empowering. Lahat ng participants, they hype you up. I saw recently na they never leave you alone. Kahit ikaw yung pinaka-last na participant, kahit hindi mo natapos, all of the judges will gather around you and they will motivate you until you finish. So, ganun na ganun yung na-feel kong energy. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa stadium, so may music, may DJ, and then everyone's
Electric.
running, everyone's naked. Pero yun, solid experience, 10 out of 10, will definitely do it again. How about you, Harry? Kamusta?
Okay naman sa so one of the reason why I joined, kasi gusto ko rin patunayan sa sarili ko. Let's say, di ba 20k sa bangka eh. So 20k nagpapaddle. You can't identify who's the strongest, who's the weakest. And it's fine, that's okay. Kasi
Since it's a team sport.
It's a team sports eh. Yung ending ang performance ng team yung bibilangan.
Okay.
Now gusto ko makita na may value pa ba ako sa equation. Kaya gusto ko makita yung sarili ko. And finishing Hyrox, I mean, finishing that race, somehow, tingin ko naman na makakaambag pa rin ako sa team. May ambag pa rin pala ako sa team. Evaluation siya sa sarili ko na tinitingnan ko. And to be fair, praise God, nakatapos naman tayo.
Yes.
Tapos, walang injury. And then at the same time, ako, not to brag or anything, pero tingin ko, may gasolina pa ako nung natapos. Kaya sabi ko parang, okay, kaya naman.
Ako yung magbabrag, sorry. Pakita yung pag... Speaking of bragging, ako na muna yung magyayabang. I got the bag.
Saan mo nabili to? Balik mo na ako nito.
Nasa merch shop.
Hindi ako bumili.
Tapos, ito nabibili. Ito yung most...
Valuable.
Yes, most valuable asset dito sa bag na to. The Hyrox patch. Diba? Most coveted.
Not just Hyrox. So, siguro, as major takeaway, parang pinakamalapit na pwede mong masubukan na chaos, of course. No? Sa isang buhay ng tao ay yung sports.
Yes.
You can join a team sports or individual sports. So it's up to you how you will gauge yourself. And at the same time, sa akin, minsan pwede mo naman gawin yung bagay dahil kaya mo pa eh. Darating yung panahon hindi mo na kaya. So habang kaya pa, yun lang naman yun.
Narinig ako na sabi nila, be thankful na pagod ka na nakapag-sports ka.
Yes, it's a privilege. Diba? What a privilege to be tired from a sport na you chose.
Thanks for touching base doon sa pangamusta sa amin, and hopefully makasama ka namin sa susunod. Yun ang nilook forward namin. At the person behind the camera, yan, magkampi na kayong dalawa, maglalaban tayo. Yan! Ay, wala. Yan, so magtapatan tayo. As healthy competition naman. Yan, so ang tabayanan nyo.
And to the gyms na pinuntahan namin, gusto ko lang ma-shoutout Tempo Hybrid and Local Active. Gusto mo ba shoutout yung gym mo?
Ako, thank you muna din kay Pats, of course. Thanks to Pats. At the end of the day, talagang maganda yung pacingan. Ako, shoutout ko lang si Coach B, Coach Albo, F45, Navy Dragon Boat Team. Thank you guys for all the support.
Yun, if you want to be part of a community, if you want your professional life to not just be about work, but also sprinkled or peppered with a lot of side quests that would push you as well in terms of like career, in terms of sport, physical activities, physical fitness. Go ahead and check out our community. Join us in our events, like what you've mentioned. It's not just going to be about events. It's going to be more so about learning, etc.
And we're very much open to join them. If they have just some sports, parang why not?
Invite us, and we'll cover it. Yun, kita-kita tayo sa badminton event namin this March. Stay tuned for all the announcements happening. LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. So yun, see you. Bye-bye.